instead of you in sunny Thailand. Today, January 8th, 2025, we sincerely congratulate you on the new year. May this year bring you happiness, good luck, and the fulfillment of all your dreams and wishes. Right now, we are at the construction site of our 7th project, Siam Oriental Dream. We are ready to share with you the latest news on the construction progress. The construction is in full swing, and now you will be able to see for yourself what stage the construction of the project is at. Each update brings us closer to the moment when the Siam Rental Drift project will become a cozy home or a profitable investment for someone. The tile laying in the hallways and on the balconies is completely finished. The ceiling work is completely finished in the apartments. The floor leveling work is fully and completely complete, ready and prepared, which will provide a perfect base for laying the laminate, ensuring a smooth and even surface. The work on installing windows on the 6th floor is ongoing. The work on painting the walls has started, with the 3rd coat being applied in the apartments and hallways. On the 4th floor, work is underway for the installation of lighting. On the 3rd floor, the installation of doors is underway. And soon, installation of plumbing in the apartments will begin. And soon, the work on laying the laminate will begin, which will give the apartments a cozy and modern look. The installation of air conditioners has currently begun in the residential apartment complex units efficiently and effectively, and the process is ongoing. The elevators have already been installed in the building, and they are ready for use. The installation of the stair railings has been completed, ensuring safety and convenience for movement.
Every day, we bring you closer to realizing your dream of a new apartment in the country. Smiles, eternal will. Thank you for catching up with our updates. We will continue to keep you updated on the progress of our projects.